And here we are, one more boat tour. This is another $500 boat with trailer. So here's a quick tour so you guys can see what's going on. Put your own eyes on it through this video. So it's got a 2-inch coupler on it. Nice jack, good winch. It's not hooked up right now. 2 there. Keel looks nice, no repairs or anything. We'll jump inside and see how sturdy she is, but I'm not seeing any holes in the boat so far. Oh yeah, good looking cuddy right here. It doesn't include the spare tire, but check out this trailer. You know, galvanized, good shape, rollers on there, plenty of life left. Galvanized axle too, no brakes of course, and these are decent tires. 14s on there, plenty of life. 2010 DOTs. Okay, the Invader. Look at that. Pretty good looking boat that could use some TLC. 19'7". Got a Mercruiser with the lower removed, but it doesn't look like this has had much salt. I'm sorry, not the lower, but the whole outdrive's removed. It does still have the gimbal housing on here and whatnot, and I don't see any corrosion, any bad corrosion. Power trim cylinders aren't leaking or anything. That looks nice. Here's a look at the hull identification number on it, and real exciting stuff, guys. Well, hopefully this video gives you a good idea what's going on. Nice and sturdy back here. I'll go ahead and step on there, being 180. And no creaks. Oh, so the inside. This is what you're looking at. Looks like somebody was getting ready to put a new floor in, but I'm sure the stringers in this boat could definitely use some attention. However, if you've seen the Bass Dumpster series, you know, unless you plan on putting the whole family in there, you don't really need those. You just kind of get rid of all that stuff, and you'll still be fine. Throttle, it's not locked up. Steering, well, you know, I guess that's locked up unless it's a lock or something. No key. I've never seen a steering lock on a boat. All the glass, good shape, no plexiglass in there. Just needs a couple new pieces. I like that it has the glass hatch on there. It sucks when they're plastic, you know. So that's nice. It's actually a pretty decent rig here. Instead of wood, this has actually got aluminum door, good quality. Wonder, oh yeah, the other side's there too. Made in USA, Perco. So definitely digging the cuddy doors. Coming in here, you're gonna get a new bellow, spare one of these, since the other one was on there, if I remember right. Along with that new bellow, you also get what looks like a new shift cable and associated parts. Oh, it's probably like 75, 80 bucks worth of stuff right there. Yeah, new bellow for the shift cable too. And yeah, these seats are probably usable. Oh yeah, I guess let's pop in here. Check out the motor, huh? It's got the 3.0 digital electronic ignition system. Here's your numbers. And yep, it's in there good enough to run it. So I don't know, that's all there. I'm not gonna be able to tell you much more than that. What's this, like a pull-out seat or something? No, it's just a back cushion. So anyway, that's the quick tour of this boat and trailer. $500 is a darn steal. Yeah, let me know if you are interested, and I'll mark it sold when it's gone. Thanks for watching.